Hey everybody, David with SpexCrete here today talking about our wonderful wear surface leveler, the SpexCrete 5000W. So it's 6,500 PSI, easy to handle, you can pump it, you can use a barrel mixer for it, whatever your job site demands necessitate. It's 6,500 PSI, wonderful water resistance, check it out. Hey everybody, as you can see, the SpexCrete 5000W is the right choice for the next time you need a wear surface leveler for your renovation job. 6,500 PSI, pumpable, barrel mix, great water resistance. 440-462-1500. Again, SpexCrete 5000W wear surface leveler for your next renovation job. 440-462-1500. Thanks.